217 Dairy Farm Road. As we enter the foyer of this beautiful luxury home, we have a massive open floor plan with 10-foot high ceilings throughout most areas, with the ceilings actually dropping down over the kitchen and eating area. The cabinets are custom made, built solid wood, stained and painted. What we ask them to do for our customers: granite countertop, stainless steel appliances, which is vented outside, by the way. Walk-in pantry, and you can see the openness from the kitchen into the beautiful living area. Built-in bookcases. It has a fireplace, electric fireplace. The brick is the same as the outside. And you can put your TV equipment down there, hook it up there, and not have to put anything on your mantle. Very large master bedroom with double tray ceilings, which has built-in rope lighting, everything separate. So at night, that's gorgeous. When you need light, you have it. We only put carpet in the bedrooms, and the carpeting is stain resistant, made of 100% recycled plastic, high-end carpet. It feels great. Blinds are included throughout the entire house. So this master bedroom can be yours. Lots of receptacles everywhere. The master bathroom is absolutely gorgeous. High 37-inch vanity double sink, 4 receptacles by each sink. A walk-in shower, massive walk-in shower. So for people that needs a walk-in shower that's easy, accessible, this is it. Drop-down shower, like rain. One there, one there, one there. And the custom tile throughout. You have a bench to sit on. You have cubby hole for your goodies. And glass front looking out of your vanity. The rest of the bathroom, linen closets, walk-in closets, and toilet room separate. Additional 3 bedrooms on this side of the house. You walk into the hall bathroom, and for large families this is great. Double vanity, just like the master, and as you can see. And then you have the rest of the bedrooms, box ceilings, walk-in closets. So for those that needed a walk-in closet and additional bedroom to have the extra room, we have them. Again, box ceilings, blinds are included. For more information on this house or a personal tour, please call me at 850-691-3208. I'm the listing agent on this house. Thank you.